Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and today I'm here to install and review the new hybrid glass screen protector for iPhone XR by the folks at Mous. So this is a dual layered screen protector which is supposed to combine the protection of plastic with the clarity and feel of glass. Perhaps best of all, it comes with a really cool looking install tool. This should allow you to align things pretty perfectly while reducing the amount of dust which falls on your screen during installation. Let's get started with the install on my iPhone XR in Coral. Looking at the contents of the box, we have a wet wipe to clean the screen, microfiber cloth to dry it, we've got a dust removal sticker for any remaining dust, we've got this little card that you can use to smooth out bubbles. I never actually use that, but I guess it's nice to have it included for people who do like to use that. And then finally we have the screen protector itself and this really interesting looking applicator. Obviously, one of the key things for a successful screen protector install is to start with a perfectly clean phone. So you're going to need to remove any screen protector you already have on your phone and make sure that everything is nice and clean before starting. I would make sure that you don't have any dust or dirt or sand or something like that on top of your phone before you start attacking it with the wet wipe, because if you don't remove those kinds of particles, they could actually get moved around by the wet wipe and scratch your screen. So I usually wipe mine off before I start with the wet wipe very gently just to make sure there's no big scratchy particles on there that could potentially scratch my phone. I'm going to be really sad to take my current screen protector off. It's the Zag Glass Plus Vision Guard and it's been a great screen protector, but I'm really looking forward to seeing how this new Mous hybrid glass performs. Use the wet wipe to clean your screen. Then the attractive green microfiber cloth to dry it off. Next, use your matching green dust removal sticker to remove any remaining dust from the screen. Once your phone is perfectly clean and dust-free, you're going to want to turn your attention to the cool install tool that I showed you earlier. So basically the deal with this here is that it is going to plug into the lightning port of your iPhone. Just see this little plastic bit here that slides into the lightning port, and then you are going to be able to align the screen protector perfectly on the phone. At least that's the idea. Then once this is aligned like that, you're going to peel away this sticker here that is marked 3 to expose the adhesive side of the screen protector. And then the whole thing's going to flop down here, and then it is going to hopefully adhere without any bubbles or bits of dust. So speaking of dust, you've spent all this time getting your phone all perfectly clean. You do want to take a moment to look at the screen protector itself, both sides of it. Make sure that it doesn't have any dust on here because you don't want it to reintroduce dust onto your perfectly clean and lovely phone. Make sure there's no dust at the bottom either. Basically, just make sure that there's no dust anywhere at all. So then once you're sure that everything is all perfect and dust-free on both your applicator and as well as your phone itself, then you can proceed. Once you're ready, slide the plastic bit from the installer into your lightning port until it clicks into place. Finally, peel away tab number 3 to expose the adhesive and then lay the screen protector down on your phone. You can rub it with a microfiber cloth or your fingers to remove any bubbles that might remain. You can also use this little card if you want to, but I honestly don't see any major reason to do that. Finally, remove the tab marked 4 to expose the screen protector itself. And remove the applicator from the phone. Press to remove any remaining bubbles and you should be good to go. Looking at the results of the install, I think everything went really quite well with one notable exception, which I will discuss in a moment. Notice that our edges here don't have any haloing or white bits. We've got a tiny white spot down here at the bottom, but other than that, everything really looks good. This is an extremely thin screen protector, much thinner than your typical tempered glass screen protectors, such as the Zag that I just removed. So I think that that looks excellent. This should also be reasonably case compatible. Might not fit with every case, but overall there should be space along here, so this will fit with most cases. The edges on here are a little bit on the rough side. You don't have the rounded edges you do with a screen protector such as the Zag I just removed or many other tempered glass screen protectors, but I think that that's a relatively small thing and is not really going to cause you much irritation. So overall I think things really look good on here and we ended up with a good alignment overall. except for the one issue that I mentioned before that I have with this install, and that is that the beautiful installer that I was so fond of kind of failed me a little bit here because the ear speaker is not quite aligned here with the hole. It's a little bit off to the side. I don't know why. It seems like the installer should have aligned this all perfectly, and it just didn't quite exactly work perfectly. So I don't know if this is user error, maybe I didn't have it on quite right or what, but there is just this little bit of a problem up here. But other than that, I think everything looks really good with this, and I think that the installation was overall quite a success. Looking at the performance and usability of this screen protector, I think everything works really quite well. This has a lovely silky feeling underneath the fingertips. Don't have that sticky feeling that you tend to get with plastic screen protectors, so that is excellent. I think the oleophobic coating works quite well. It definitely helps repel smears, and your optical clarity is excellent also. There's no issue with your haptic touch. Everything is quite responsive, and overall, this is just really quite a nice screen protector. I love the fact that it is so thin and it really barely shows up on the phone at all. So in terms of protection, this is going to give you more impact protection than you would have with your typical tempered glass screen protector because of the high performance plastic that is used in this. This is not going to be necessarily any better in its protection against scratching, but impact protection is where this is going to shine. And you have this nice glass layer on the outside so that you get a very user-friendly, pleasant experience in using the screen protector. So overall, I think that this is a really good combination of features from the folks at Mous. So if you are looking for a protective screen protector that also has a great look and feel for your phone, you definitely might want to check out the Hybrid Glass by Mous. Again, we've been looking at the Hybrid Glass Screen Protector by Mous for iPhone XR. This product is available directly from Mous and has an MSRP of $29.99. Many thanks to the kind folks at Mous for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about this product, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I will do my best to address them. And if you are interested in subscribing to my channel, please do consider it because I have lots more great screen protector and case reviews yet to come. Again, this is Kristen with the Mous Hybrid Glass Screen Protector for iPhone XR. Enjoy your iPhone and have a wonderful day.